Hello there beautiful people, or welcome back again to our channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes. I'm working for you, so if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop on below in comment. I would be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back, and please bear witness for that because I've made over 200 videos on Shopify customizations, 250 videos actually, and they were all requested by you guys. And I know some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. I still make the video for them, so don't hesitate, man. If you have any video requests or any questions, just drop me a comment below. I would be happy to provide you information you need or even make a video for you. And yeah, you don't have to subscribe, or maybe now you should consider doing so, because if you don't, you lose. Now it's a very different chapter of this channel. I usually share small customizations, but now we'll be sharing complete sections and widgets highly customizable to make your Shopify store very unique and professional without having to rely on those expensive teams or hire on those expensive developers, or even worse, paying for those monthly subscription applications that will drain your money, and it's not a very good idea for long-term projects. But I give you a better deal. Scroll down to the channel, check out the videos and sections I'm sharing. Now that you're the judge, now I respect your decision. But for now, let me fulfill again another request, which is on Horizon Theme this time, which is how to remove the video player controls on your Shopify store on Horizon Theme. Because on Horizon Theme there is a section called video, and it looks very good actually, but the only downside to it is it has controls. There is an option to loop the video and there is the option to enable the autoplay, but it has controls, which doesn't make sense. In this video, I will show you how to completely disable those controls, so the video will be autoplay and it will actually loop the video. And even if you hover over it, it will not show the autoplay in the 3 dots, so you can download the video if you want to, and so on. It looks way more better and it looks professional as well. And without any more talking, let's jump to it. As you can see, this is Shopify down theme. I always start with completely new theme, nothing on it. In each video I add small customizations, but video like 70 or 60, the theme will be completely different. But now I think I reached that level already. For example, check out this all-in-one reviews carousel that will show reviews from multiple sources all in one, and it's filterable by tabs. Or even better, check out this recent sales notification that will show you the recent sales on your Shopify store by using your own custom code. And it's highly customizable. You can customize the behavior and so on. And if you want to see actually something like that will make you more money, check out this. So this is the mouse cursor, right? I will try to leave just like I want to close the page or something, and this thing will show up, which is an abandoned cart pop-out reminder that will remind the user how many products he added to the cart without checking out. And this is by using your own custom code, and it's by the mouse cursor trigger. It triggers when the user trying to leave, and many more things that I cannot even mention in one video, as you can see. But I'll let you go to the channel and discover them by yourself. In this video, as I said, I will show you how to remove the video controls on Horizon Theme, and this is not Horizon Theme, so let's just close this. And here it is. And by the way, I don't think I have the video. I will add it first, then we will remove. Yeah, I don't have it. So let's just get back in here and click on customize, and let's just add the section, which is the video. As I said, it looks very good actually, but the only downside to it is you cannot actually remove. As you can see, it has a video, and let me actually pick a video so you can see. Let me pick my favorite, which is this one. It's funny actually. So as you can see, it has the option to enable the autoplay, and it has the option to loop the video. So we'll keep repeating and autoplay. Let's just enable this one, and here it is, autoplay, as you can see, but there is no option in here to remove the controls. So let's just click on save button, and we will get back in here, reload the page, and see it. Here it is. It looks very good, but as soon as you hover over it, it shows this meh video controls. As you can see, it doesn't look very good, and it has also these 3 dots there where you can download the video. Some people would not want that. In this video, I will show you how to completely remove this thing. Even if you hover over it with the mouse cursor, it will not show the controls. So we will keep this page open, do the trick, come back and see it in action. So the first thing you're going to do is get back in here, then access Theme Editor, then simply click on the section where it is the video. As you can see, the video that we did add, this section. The next thing you're going to do is scroll down the description box, and you will see a link, my website. Simply click on it, completely free again. Then it will take you to this website right here. As I said, completely free. Then scroll down a little bit and copy this code using this button. Simply click on it. Here is it's copied. Now we'll get back in here after you did select the whole section, not the video. I'm not talking about the video. It's actually the whole section. From here, as you can see, this section, the main section, click on it. Then on the right panel right here, you see this option says custom CSS. Simply click on it, and it will show you this prompt to paste in a CSS. Simply paste in the code that you did copy from my website. That's very simple. Simply paste it in here, then click on save, Now, if we get back to our Shopify store, which is Horizon Theme, where we add the video, now let's just reload the page. Now it's still, as you can see, it does show the controls. Let's just reload the page. And ta-da, as you can see, I'm hovering with the mouse cursor now, and there is no controls whatsoever now. And there is no way someone can easily download the video. And also the video looks way better and professional, and the video is funny too. But for now, that's how you actually remove the video player controls on Horizon Theme. And if you have any video requests, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.